free JGB, free Kelly B, free Donny, free M's, free Asbo, free fucking MS. Shout out Andy, shout out my bro, shout out Baldy, shout out Ben, shout out BG, the gang. Yeah, bitch green. Drillz, active. Mixtape out soon, non-stop working. Me and bro got paper plans. What you know about aching hands? What you know about staying in a band? Don't staying up late and away these grams. What you know about off-block borders out trying to catch these man? What you know about digging parcels out the mud trying to get these grands? Look, now I got aching hands and I got an aching back, cause I be weighing these grams, trying to get me the stack. We used to go round with Rambos, now we invest in WAPs. What you know about off-block living? Cruise right there and attack. Me and bro got paper plans, now I'm trying to get these racks. We used to break down his Tinos and put them straight into raps. Now we break down his kilos so I can save up these stacks. What you know about bando living? Use a molly to whip that crack. Grab that, bag that, move that weight, back that, splash that loose man's face. Remember days used to block down apes, now block without packs and tape. 2 keys, what comes in them? 2 barrels, what came with that skeng? Chef your bro and I chef this friend. It was you when I done them. My name's T and I'm active. Not once have I ever flapped it. When I see these off, they start dashing. Could've drawn the Ramo, start crashing. Lick a man, team raggo on a mad team. Get the packs and make them vanish. Free Kelly B cause he's active. I grab the pack and then manage it. When I see these off, they turn mannequin. Let's draw the thing, he start vanishing. All this beef shit, they can't handle it. Draw the shank and then dip it. Chop into peps and then shift it. Got the crunch line with these big bits. Then I'm coming home with these digits. You ain't stepped in the crop yard. Too tough, them plants to feed us some food. You ain't stepped on the off block with the round bowl trying to spill some juice. You ain't drove out bro in the pads with a Mazda trying to take that dude. All about the variable and gas, and trust me bro, the man are some fools. Name's T, you know where I'm stepping. Most reckless in me section. Don't leave the crib without the weapon. Trying to stab these ups up to death. Gonna back the chinga and swing the chinga, it's automatically a stretch. Gonna back the chinga and swing the chinga, it's automatically a death. Money, I love it. BG, I hug it. Bad B, I slide upon it. Flip it over, she ride it proper. In this bando, chopping chocolate, whipping up holders, no problems. For my bro, like yo, you got it. Ring me back like yo, I got it. Money, I love it. Bitch green, I hug it. Bad B, I slide upon it. Flip it over, she ride it proper. In this bando, chopping chocolate, whipping up holders, no problems. For my bro, like yo, you got it. Ring me back like yo, I get the food. Weigh it, chop it, bag it. When the ops see me, they panic. They know little man be active, gripping on Rambo blades or hammers. See it off, man gets a splashing and say the Rambo, them man's dashing. Guarantee your hitters won't back it. Guarantee my hitters will slap it, chop it. Where this clean its package used to stop and say it's these maggots. Now my profit margins from mass still into the ops. The man just wassing, they are not, and the man just gassing. All front but no action. BG is where it's happening. All my bro trying to get these racks in. Look, I've been through some things, but now it's time to change shit. Only 20, but I'm 5 in the cages. Canteen every Friday, all the years that I've wasted. Every banged up was writing bars on these pages. Smoking on his weed just to keep me mind faded. I'm sorry, Nan, for always getting you raided. Always on road, licking shots and razors, selling rocks. Sleepless nights for ages. Without you, I would have been fucked because my dad was on the run. And my mom was on drugs. Without the doubt, we've done the best you could. There wasn't just me, there was 7 of us. We nearly got your house took cause we were selling them drugs. But when I look back, we have respect and stuff. We should have wrapped them up and left them in the bush. Out of fucking sight, we didn't see it or touch. But I'm living on the gully side. Lit had to whip shift on this gully side. Can you hear that ring? That's the money line. Banner for the wick, I'll let the money hard. I've got the Zanko cheeked in case it's gully times. Keys are back to the wing, stopping me money grind. I'm looking at a stretch, but I'll be just fine. If you wanna see me pain, look me in the eyes. Rambo on me hip in case the body tries it. I'm moving all this weight, I never move from my bit. I'm chilling with bro, he's the last of my clique. 3 on me dogs walked away from my clique. I stabbed a couple man, I read a couple sentences and still took no credit for what I did. I'm never on these benches, always in these trenches. That's how I got all this knowledge that I spit. When I rap about stacks, I ain't talking about that crack money. Straight up pack money, coming in fast money. I break a pack into O's, you know how it goes, more prof. I just double that stack, lovely. You ain't been on the roads, 3 on me bros. They bang the doors around the whole country. I'm always on the road, I'm trapping with me bros soon. We be living like it's all comfy. Follow me on the Instagram, official Drillz. BG, shout out for my Drillz. Free the gang, 10 times. Bow.